everyone. How are you all? So I hope that I am audible. So please tell me in the chat if I am audible right now. Yes or a no. What is that? Okay. Hi. So hi everyone. I hope you all are excited for today's project. आज के project के लिए सभी लोग बहुत ज़्यादा excited होंगे. So today we have to build a Candy Crush. That's our today's end-to-end to do. That which we have to complete within 1 hour time or something. So let's not waste much of our time and let's get started with building our Candy Crush game. And yep. So I'm sharing my screen. By the way, you guys are with me, yes or no? What's that? Are you guys with me? चैट में तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा यार, मुझे पता नहीं क्यों खाली रखा है चैट सब कुछ. हाय सर, हाय सीता, हाय ज्योत्सना, हाउ आर यू? ओके, सो at this point of time we have got I think 20 people or something in the chat, and I don't know, my mobile is not actually working. I'm not able to see your chat properly, so I'm getting it started. Candy Crush बनाना है, चलो फटाफट से. We have to make Candy Crush. That's our today's to do. And बना है बट पता नहीं यार, इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा. ठीक है, दूसरा मोबाइल ट्राई करता हूँ. लेट मी ट्राई द अदर वन. ओके, सो फाइन. हाँ चलो, आई गॉट इट. सो आई एम एबल टू सी योर चैट राइट नाउ. Okay, fine. I have got the chat. Hi. Good afternoon. आफ्टरनून कहाँ यार भाई, तो अब तो गुड मॉर्निंग ही हो रहा है ना शायद. मैं तो सुबह से जग के, पता है, मैं तुम्हारा कैंडी क्रश का एक सैम्पल कोड वगैरह सब बनाया, एंड आई हैव नॉट फुल्ली कंप्लीटेड इट, बट आई हैव मेड समथिंग. सो येप, सो लेट मी जस्ट, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम इवन आई एम बिल्डिंग कैंडी क्रश. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत पहले बना के रखा है एंड अभी बस उसको मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ करके. सो येस, आई हैव ट्रांजिशन माई स्क्रीन, एंड सबसे पहले जाओ अटेंडेंस फिलअप करो. सो इफ़ यू रिफ्रेश दिस, ओ शिट, ये तो अटेंडेंस का दे ही नहीं रहा टैब. विनय, कैन यू कॉल संदेश एंड से संदेश की टाइमिंग चेंज कर दे डे 5 का प्रोजेक्ट का. ओके, सो अभी क्लास लाइव है बट यहाँ पे टाइमिंग गलत दिखा रहा है. ठीक. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दैट वी हैव टू बिल्ड. Okay, Candy Crush game. Okay, so this is one thing, and ठीक है, Candy Crush का जो गेम बनाना है. So first and foremost thing यार, how is Candy Crush played in our life? Okay, so tell me that if you are able to see my screen. 11 बजे अभी, right? So if I have to play Candy Crush in my mobile right now, अगर मुझे अभी Candy Crush खेलना है, ठीक है, so how can I play Candy Crush? So I have to download Candy Crush on my mobile, right? 1 मिनट में करता हूँ फटाफट, ठीक है. So first we will just go ahead and we will play Candy Crush, ताकि अपने को पता चले कि Candy Crush के अंदर बनाना क्या है. So what do we have to make? So I've got this also. Shit, ये नहीं रुक रहा. Fine. ठीक है. I can't attend today. Don't worry, you can watch it in recording if you are not able to attend it. So yep, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, मोबाइल का स्क्रीन मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ. मुझे बताओ दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा. Shit. दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा? Okay, yeah. So here we have, let's say, Candy Crush, and इसमें करना क्या है? So we have got how many matrix? 5 by 5, right? We have got 5 by 5, and if 5 by 5 is the thing, then I need to just match it like this. Okay. And भाई गेमर वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है. आई एम फीलिंग एज इफ आई एम अ गेमर, बट नो. ओके, सो फाइन, दिस इज टू मच, बट yep, okay. So what we got is basically we will not have these many superpowers. Okay, we will not have these many superpowers, but what we will have is something that okay, you have got three different things. Out of three different things, you need to um, okay, use those three different things to actually, you will have elements. सबसे पहला तो है कि भाई इसमें elements होंगे, right? We have got elements in our this thing. So मैं फटाफट से draw कर देता हूँ, ठीक है? So let me just draw it end to end, what we have to do first, and then we will take it one step at one time. और ड्राइंग के लिए कोई तो एक टूल मैं यूज़ कर रहा था, हाँ, ये न्यू स्केच, ओके. Fine. So first and foremost thing, what we have got, okay, what is that we have right now in our hand? Link that copied, allow paste. सबसे पहले तो okay, first and foremost thing that we have got in front of us is basically, first part is Candy Crush has okay elements. Okay, so how many elements should we have? Let's say we have 4 elements. Okay, जैसे various kinds of like how Candy Crush is having various kinds of candies, right? Some other color and all. So that is one. Second thing which we have in Candy Crush is you will have a board. Okay, a board is of how big? How big is a board? A board is like this thing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, थोड़ा 13, 14 लिखते टाइम थोड़ा कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 5 by 5, right? 5 by 5 will give us what? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Got it done? Are you guys clear with me? Are you guys with me? Yes or no? So I hope that you are able to see my screen right now. Okay. Okay, yep, sorted, done. So this is the board, but you know programming language starts with 0. So our board is going to look like it's going to start with 0. It will start with 0 and it will end at 24. Clear? Got it, right? Done, sorted. It will start at 0 and it will end at 24. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? So please tell me in the chat. So first part is clear. Candy Crush will have 4 elements. Second is like we will have a board which is 5 by 5. That is 5 into 5. How much? That is 25. It will start with 0. So it will end with 24. Clear hai? Sorted hai? Yes or no? So please tell me that right now in the chat. Now third pointer jo apna hai, right? So what's the third pointer? So let me write it down. Third point which we have in Candy Crush, okay, please send 4 different emojis in the chat that we will use as our candies. Okay, we will use emojis as our candies, so please send that. The third thing is in mobile phone we were having touch screen to give the input, but in computer in Python language we will have terminal to give the input. Okay, मोबाइल फ़ोन में तो टच स्क्रीन था इनपुट के लिए, बट इन केस ऑफ लाइक पाइथन आपको you have to give the input directly in the terminal. So take input from user via, so what we will do via position. Okay, current position, future position. Okay, so we will have two different this thing. So we will take two different positions. Current position, I mean जो अभी का position है उसको कहाँ move करना, where do you want to move that? Okay, so that thing we have to do to build this project. Basically we are designing our steps. We are basically designing our steps that what all things we are gonna make a 5x5 board, right? Yes, Sita, we are gonna make 5x5 board. And I see I have got some emojis which we can use. Rahul Math has mentioned heartbreak. I don't know why he mentioned that, but yeah, so we have that also with us. And so yeah, so these are the three things as of right now. 1 2 3. अभी इसके अलावा और क्या होना चाहिए पता है? If the emojis match, okay, add points and get new random emojis in the place. Okay, sorted. So we will make these all. This is the fourth point. Okay, so this is the fourth point that we have in this. So these are the four things, guys. Candy Crush has 4 elements. This is how the board will look. Okay, this is how the board will look. Take input from the user. Shit, what happened? Take user from user input via this, and then you have to go forward. Clear? So this is what I have made till now. So we will have it with us, and then we'll start coding. Okay, so how many steps? First, elements. Okay, first and foremost is elements. So let's make individual code first, then we will convert them into one function which we can use later on. Okay, so let's see how long we can build. I may not be able to build entirely end to end, but I will give you like logic 100%. Okay, I'll build that. With all fancy things I may not be able to do, but I'll do certainly good amount of it. Okay, we will do it certainly good amount. Okay, so now the very first thing that we need is elements. Okay, so elements. So what all elements would you like to give? So first emoji that I want to have is I want to use one emoji that is fire. Okay, second emoji which I love is rocket. Okay, third emoji which you guys have suggested is heart. Okay, and the last emoji that we can take up is something like cool. Okay, 4 emojis. Hey, we need to put them in string. Emojis are also strings, so you need to have them in this, so it will work properly. Okay, clear? Now this is the elements. We need a list. We need a list, board list. Okay, by default it is empty. Okay, by default it is empty. Now we need to store 25 items, right? We need to have 25 items. So 25 items is like what? 0 to 24. So what I will do, and I need to have random items, random elements at random places. Okay, so elements के अंदर से मुझे randomly from these elements list I want to randomly populate 25 items in broad list. Are we clear? Okay, randomly populate. Okay, randomly populate 25 items in the board list. Okay, clear? Done. So now what I'll do, I will use I'll use first random. Random is a library which actually gives you a function that is random dot choice choice, and if I pass this particular ना, ये मैं अगर element का list pass करता हूँ, Okay, if I pass this element list, it will give me a random item every time. Okay, it is giving me a random item every time. Okay, so if I'll run it again, see, it will give me again one random item. Okay, this is totally random. This is not based on us. यार ये तो हर बार यही दे रहा है. हाँ. So what I'll do, I will use this particular functionality to populate our 25 items in the board list. Okay, clear? Sorted hai? Done hai? Sorted? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat right now, every one of you. Are you with me? So please tell me in the chat. Are you guys with me? So I'm not getting any answers. I don't know why. हो ना रहे मेरे साथ तुम लोग. मेरे को लग रहा है मेरा चैट गया. ये पता नहीं यार, आज के लिए बहुत चैट का प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. So I'm having this problem every day in, day out. Okay, so now only you guys are answering me. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. So fine, ठीक है. So just fine, good. Done. ठीक. Now I'll just do that. For how will I randomly populate? For for item in range 25. Now what is this gonna give me if I have to print item? So what will happen? Let's see. तो ये क्या करता है ना, range 25 is a by default method in Python which actually gives us 0 से लेके 25 तक का count. Okay, so this range 25 is nothing just but a list of like 25 items. So I mean 0 to 25. So I will use this, and instead of print, what I'll do, board list dot board list. शिट यार, मेरा टेबल पे ना पूरा सारा कचरा हो गया एक साथ. सो लेट मी ऑर्गेनाइज इट थोड़ा सा. हाँ, board list dot append, and in this append what I'll do, random dot choice के अंदर what's the name of it, this elements. ठीक है, clear? So when I'll do now board list, जब मैं board list अभी print करूँगा, now you will see one thing. That is, see, we are having random elements, random 25 elements. Are you guys with me? Yes or no? So Candy Crush के अंदर elements आ गए अपने 25 random. Okay, yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. Are you guys with me? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. फटाफट से, just go ahead. Okay, I want the answers here. I want the answers ASAP. Okay, so let me ask one more question, by the way. You are doing it along with me? Okay, so are you actually coding along with me, or like what is that? So based on the answer, I will be able to judge. Okay, what should I do? So now we have this board list. What I'll do, we will print this board in a proper format. So I will create a small function, def. Okay, def print board. Okay, a small function where print. Okay, so I need to send a list. Okay, I need to send a list to this print board. So this print board will then print the proper board, 5x5 board. So it's going to be 5x5, and it's going to be like 0 to 25. So don't you think we should use a for loop to print it? I can use a for loop to print it, but okay, so should I use a for loop to print it, or should I use a static print? So tell me, suggest me in the chat, and I'll do that. Suggest me in the chat. You should I use for loop to do it, or should I use statically I'll make a board? So what is that? So please tell me in the chat. Batao, fatafat batao. Okay, what is that you want me to do? For loop. Okay, Vishnu has said for loop. Anyone else? Any other answers? Vishnu N has said loop, use loop to print it. That's it, only 2 answers. Okay, so most of the people are saying for loop, so let me just go ahead with for loop. Okay, for I in range 5, okay, for j in range 5, okay, let's say POS starts with 0, okay, here the print is going to be list POS and is equal to space. Okay, as soon as this is done, then you print one new line. That's it. I think this should work. If this works, amazing, right? So itna sa hi code hai. I'll explain this code to you all. What is the list name? Board list, right? What's the board list? So whenever I want to see the Candy Crush ka board, I just need to do, oh shit, there is some problem. The problem is POS is equal to POS plus 1. Okay, so right after this print, it should say POS is equal to POS plus 1. So this should print right now. So see, our board is there, right? Oh wow, we have a Candy Crush with us. Okay, so we have a Candy Crush with us right now. So maybe I will do one more thing here. Print our Candy Crush board. Okay, so whenever you will send for example, if you want to generate a new board, okay, if you want to generate a new board, what you have to do, basically you just have to just do this. Okay, just do this. Like you have to just run this again one more time. इसको एक और बार run करो. Now इसको run करने के बाद क्या होगा? As soon as you run this particular thing, let's even convert this thing to a function. def generate new board. Okay. Return board list. ओके एक फंक्शन बना दिया ये. और जब भी यू वांट टू गिव अ न्यू बोर्ड लिस्ट इज इक्वल टू generate new board. Clear? So there are only 2 lines of code. You want to generate a new board, use this. Okay, and you want to print a board, use this. Okay, clear? See, every time you print you generate a new board, it will print a different pattern. See, हर बार ये नया pattern आ रहा है. Clear? Sorted? Okay, so every time are you able to generate a new board? Okay, so please tell me in the chat. So see this. Okay, yes, sorted hai. So we can generate our boards at least new game ke time pe we can generate boards, right? Clear hai? Sorted hai? Done. So we are done with I don't know why I'm not getting answers. Why are you not giving answers? Right? So please tell me answers, right? Okay, if you guys not been interactive, I'm gonna stop building this. Okay, आप लोग answers नहीं दोगे तो I also don't want to build anything, because I will only love to have people in my class who to actually answer me something. So चलो ठीक है. Now we are done with 2 functions. Third function that we need to do, तीसरा function जो अपने को बनाना है, that is we need to take a input. We need to take a input from our student. Okay, अपने को input लेना है अपने student से. क्या input लेना है? We have to take an input कि कौन सा element, which element you want to move which side. Okay, which side. Are we clear? Are we clear about the thing? Okay, are we clear about the thing? So which side our element should move. ऊपर जाना है, नीचे जाना है, कैसे जाना है, अपने को वो current position, future position, ये दोनों देना होगा. Yes, agree with me? So can we build that? Can we build it up? Yep. Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. Basically you have to give input by yourself and then this code will run simultaneously. Yes, I mean Sita, you are somewhere there. Hey everyone, are you with me? Okay, if you are with me, so tell me that we have to build a code. Okay, we have to build a code where we can take the current position of the item that you want to move, and you want to move it to the which position. So though current and future you have to take. So def take input. Okay, take input is one thing, and it will ask you for two different stuff. What's that two different? Current position input, enter the position of item you want to move. Okay, clear? Now future FUTUR, future position is equal to input, enter the position of item, enter the new position. Okay, then this will first check, this will check, क्योंकि तुम एक ही ब्लॉक मूव कर सकते हो ना. इट विल आइदर गो फ्रॉम ओनली वन ब्लॉक. इट विल गो फ्रॉम लाइक लेट्स से अगर 0 है, 0 से 1 पे जाएगा तो 0 से वो व्हाट इज दिस. ओके, लेट्स प्रिंट वन मोर थिंग बिफोर वी डू बिकॉज इट्स काइंड ऑफ कंफ्यूजिंग. ओके, so you can only move one place. So you can move this rocket to this heart or this heart, right? You can't move it anywhere else. Sure? Clear है ना? Sorted है? So that rule we will inculcate later, that you can do it further, check and all. But I am just returning right now two things: current position and future position. Okay? Clear? I am just returning two things. So if I will run this take input wala game, what I'm gonna get, it will ask enter the position you want to move. I want to move the 0. Rocket is on 0, right? 0 index. Enter the new position you want to move. I want to move it to the 1. Okay, so it will give me this. It will take the input like this. Okay, sorted hai? Done hai? Take input is also done. Now after taking input, it has to check. It has to check basically the item that you want to move, right? जो item आपने के move करना चाहते हो, वो item move करने के बाद, after moving that item, okay, is it giving you the combination? Is the combination matching? Yes or no? So for example, if you move this star wala emoji to this place, this heart, it is going to be a combination. Okay, we will only work with combination of 3. Okay, we will not work with combination of more than 3. 1 2 and sorry, basically this is the line that we will work on. So maybe I'll just take a small screenshot. We will take it to our board. Okay, थोड़ा ड्राइंग करके समझते हैं. ठीक है, so I have pasted it here. Done. So let me just draw it so that you guys are with me. I'm just loading it here in my this. Okay, I have got it. So if I move this particular thing to here, okay, that is heart. Okay, it will be, these 3 will be a match. Yes or no? Yes or no? So are you with me? Are you with me? So please tell me in the chat, are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Yep. So that's how this has to work. I'm just writing down a logic. For example, if you move this also here, this particular thing here, then this has to be a match. Okay, this has to be a match. So and it can only, okay, so this is one part that we established. ये एक चीज़ है जो अपन ने establish कर लिया कि भाई combinations check करने का mechanism चाहिए. We need a function which can check combinations. Okay, which can check combination. Number one. Number two that we need to establish is which all direction. Okay, which all directions. For example, let me erase everything now. Okay, अभी which all direction this rocket can move. This rocket can move which all direction. कहाँ कहाँ जाके ये check हो सकता है. So this rocket can be contributing towards this 3, okay, then this 3, okay. और कहाँ आ सकता है यार ये रॉकेट. तो ये रॉकेट ने क्या, एक कॉम्बिनेशन, 2 कॉम्बिनेशन, 3 कॉम्बिनेशन, ये 3 कॉम्बिनेशंस का पार्ट हो सकता है. आर यू गाइज विथ मी? यस और नो? सो प्लीज टेल मी इन द चैट, आर यू गाइज विथ मी? So if I have to remove everything, so this rocket can only be a combination of only these many items. So ये combination can be a part of first this rocket can be a part of second this rocket can be part of third this, right? Any other combinations this rocket can be part of? Okay, this rocket can be part of any other items? Huh? Can this rocket be part of any other thing? Can this rocket be part of any other item? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. Okay, yes, if you guys agree with me, then okay, that is one. So abhi one more combination we will try. Okay, one more combination we will try. Okay, this was one rocket. अभी ना एक और combination मुझे try करना है. I want to talk about this particular thing. Okay, you are able to see now this. Okay, this particular emoji can be a part of how many combinations? This emoji can be a part of first combination, second combination, third combination, fourth combination, and fifth combination, sixth this emoji can be a part of 6 combinations. Are you guys with me? So let us draw that 6 combinations. I will use different pen for a different combination. So first combination, okay, second combination, third combination, okay, fourth combination, okay. Now fifth combination, there is one more. Sixth combination. do you guys understood? I mean, like this one emoji can be a part of 6 different combination. That means a maximum of combinations answer can be is in 6 combinations. मतलब एक जो एलिमेंट है ना वो 6 कॉम्बिनेशन में जाके कैंडी क्रश में गेम में आ सकता है. Okay, so one emoji can be a part of 6 combinations. So whenever you're moving a emoji from here to there, a candy from here to there, you need to check 6 different combinations. Is it matching? Yes or no? It's a match? Yes or no? For understanding if it is a match, to give points to a user, you need to check how many 6 combinations, maximum of 6 combination. Are you guys with me? Okay, so are you guys with me? Yes or no? Are you guys with me? So we need to check for 6 combinations if the max. Okay, what all combinations are there? 1 2 3, 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, 1 2 3, this 1 2 3, and then 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So these are. So are you guys with me? All the 60 of you guys, are you guys with me? Okay, so are you doing it along with me? Yes or no? I don't know, but this is very big part that you need to understand before getting into Candy Crush. Okay, so now let's just build those. So if you enter a position, you should, now you need to make a function to get all possible positions, all possible combinations to check for matching. Okay, so now in front of us the problem statement is this. Are you guys with me till here? Are you with me? Are you guys with me? So please tell me in the chat. I don't know if you are with me, so let me ask the question. Are you with me till the combination wala function? Okay, so I asked you a new question, so please tell me that in the chat. I'm yes. So I want to know how many of you are with me. Okay. Fine. I only got 14 answers. I need more answers coming in. Please just go ahead. Okay. So df get combinations. ओके कोई भी एक नंबर भेजेगा तो कॉम्बिनेशन चाहिए. अरे बिफोर ये इसके पहले ना एक और चीज़ बना लेते हैं. लेट्स मेक वन मोर थिंग बिफोर दिस. वन मोर थिंग दैट विल मेक इज लाइक वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द रेफरेंस, just give me a minute. Whenever you want to understand the reference, if the reference is reference board reference, to get यार थोड़ा पता नहीं आज कंजेस्टेड हो रहा है, मैंने पता नहीं कैसी सारी चीज़ें रख दी हैं. So to get df board ref, okay, to get board reference, I'll use the same code here. Okay, board reference. ये reference में क्या बना रहा हूँ मैं? Instead of making printing element, I want to print. So board ref. Now what is board ref? Board ref is like it is giving me positions. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Done. So 12 can be a board with, okay. So 12, 7, 12, 17 can be one combination. 11, 12, 13 can be another combination. Okay. 10, 11, 12 can be one combination. 12, 11, 13 is gonna be another combination. 12, 17, 22, as we already spoke about. 8, 12, 17 is gonna be one combination. 11, 12, 13 is going to be one more combination. So these are the 6 different combinations which are possible. That's what we have understood till now. Now, considering the fact that we understand that, so we need C1, C2, C3. So C1 is equal to what? C1 is like, let's say 1, 2, 3. So C1 is a list which is number minus 2, number minus 1. Okay, so okay, maybe here we will just pass number and we will use it number. Okay, so this thing is covered. 10, 12, 10, 11, 12. If I pass 12 ka position, if I pass 12, so automatically 10, 11, 12, it is covered. C2 is what? C2 is number. Okay, number. I want to do now is like 12, 13, 14. Okay, 12, 13, 14. So number plus 1, number plus 2. Okay, C3, what is C3? What is C3? C3 is 11, 12, 13. Horizontally, these are the only three things which is possible. So number minus 1, number plus 1. Okay, so these are the three horizontal combinations. Here, then vertical. Now, what are the vertical combinations? C4, let's take. What are the vertical combinations? Tell me. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 12, right? 2, 3, 12. Okay. If 12 is the position, 12 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So it is going to be like this. Number minus 10, number minus 5. Okay. Number. C5, what is going to be C5? C5 क्या होने वाला है बताओ? C5 क्या होगा बताओ? फटाफट tell me what is C5. I am looking forward to your answers. What's gonna be in C5? C5 12, 17, 22. Okay, 12, 17, 22. 12, 17, 22. So what's the combination? It's number plus 10. Maybe number plus 5. Okay, number plus 10. Then okay, number plus 10. Done. So then afterwards C6 is equal to what? C6? C6 is 7, 12, 17. 7, 12, 17. What is 7, 12, 17? Number minus 5. Number plus 5. Got it? Clear? So these are the 6 different combinations which are possible. Are you guys with me? Yes or no? You say no, I go. You say no, I'll explain you. If you don't say anything, I will shut this class and I will go. Okay? Because unless there is no interaction, I don't want to put my time. So yeah. So C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. Now, so these are the combinations. Clear? So I will return these combinations in a particular this C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. I will return them in this. So these are the combinations. But there is a problem. Okay, let's now just understand. ना एक बार देखते हैं, चला के देखते हैं. Okay, so let me just call board reference again. Okay. Vertical combinations again, right? That's what you have said, Sita. So, okay, so I will take this example. This emoji, this heart emoji, and this emoji is one vertical. That is first combination. Are you guys with me? This is one vertical. The second vertical which I have is 1, 2, 3. So these 2 stars and the third is like fire emoji. Clear? That is the third vertical. Okay, so one vertical is, this is one vertical, this is another vertical. Okay, first vertical, second vertical. The third vertical is heart, star, star. Okay, clear, Sita? Got it? Done. So heart, star, star. Okay, clear? Sorted? Done. So we have got 3 vertical combinations right now which are possible. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, clear? Done. So these are the 3 vertical possible. Because this is single digit, that's why spacing is a problem. Okay, maybe we can print it in double digit or something like that. POS. I don't know how to print it in double digit. Leave that. That's time waste. But yeah, 2, 7, 12 is one. Okay. 12, 17, 22 is the second. Okay. 7, 12, 17 is the third. So these are the 3 different combinations that we have in our life. Clear? Chalo. Now, but there is a problem. There is a problem. So there is a problem. What's the problem? So when I do get combinations, this function, and I pass one number. So let's say I'm passing a number that is 4. No, that's 12. Let's say that is 12. So एक ना 12 पास करके देखते हैं. So are we getting all the combinations that is possible? So 10, 11, 12 is in one 10, 11, 12. Wow, it works. Okay. 12, 13, 14. Wow, 12, 13, 14, it works. 11, 12, 13. Okay, 11, 12, 13, it also works. Okay. 2, 7, 12. Okay, 2, 7, 12, it also works. 12, 17, 22. Okay, 12, 17, 22, it also works. 7, 12, 17, it also works. Clear है? Sorted है? तीन का combination मिल रहा है? Everyone of you, are you with me? Please tell me यार, are you guys with me? Okay, so but instead of, if you pass, let's say I want to pass this 0. I want to pass only 5. Okay, let's say I want to pass 5. मुझे 5 पास करना है. What will happen? Okay, what will happen? What's happening? I am getting 3, 4, 5. Okay, but 3, 4, 5 are in the same line. No yaar, 3, 4, 5 are not same. They are not in horizontal. So this combination is not possible. This combination is wrong, right? This combination is wrong. Now when you do 5, 6, 12, so let's say 5, 6, 12. Okay, 5, 6, 12 is a right combination, right? Boundary condition then. Yes, you are right, Mathur. Mathur, you are right. You are going right. Okay, 5, 6, 7, it is okay. इसको मिटा दो यार. ठीक है, थोड़ा बोर्ड रेफरेंस काम आएगा. ठीक है, सो 5, 6, 7 इज ओके. 4, 5, 6, no, it's not okay. Again, invalid combination. There is nothing like -5 in our board, so it is also invalid. So see how many invalid. 1, then 2, then 3. These 3 are invalid combination. Then we have got 5, 10, 15. Yes, it's a valid coordination. Good. 0, 5, 10, it's a, yes, it's again a 0, 5, 10, it's again a valid condition. It's good. Okay, so there are 4 invalid conditions which should not come as a output. Okay, which should not come as a output. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? There are many invalid conditions. So how to check which is valid, which is not valid? Horizontally, what all are valid? Vertically, what all are valid? So to check that, let's modify our get combination वाला function. Okay, इसके अंदर थोड़ा और काम करना पड़ेगा. Check for valid combinations for Candy Crush, and then only send it, else don't send it. Okay, clear hai? Sorted hai? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. This thing we have to make. How can we make it for horizontal? सोचो अभी हॉरिजॉन्टल में कैसे बनाएंगे. गेम इसी का है बस. This is the game. After this we are done with our if you are done with this, we are done almost. We are done. Okay, so maybe, okay, so how we can do it, you know? I'll just make simple thing. That's, I know the logic. मतलब लॉजिक क्या है इसमें पता है? लॉजिक ये है कि भाई if one particular element is there, that should only be in between this horizontal row. This should be only in these horizontal rows. Okay, clear? It should be a part of horizontal rows. So you need to refuse any other stuff. So to make it, check for horizontal valid combinations. Okay, how can we check? We can check it with the help of a simple for loop. I have done it already. मैं इधर तुम्हारे पास आने से पहले ही थोड़ा कुछ काम कर रहा था. Okay, so I have got horizontal combinations and all. Okay, इसमें से बस मुझे I want to explain this only one thing. Okay, I will explain you. Chalo. So before I make it, so what all horizontals are there? All horizontal rows.
Okay, I will put a underscore so that you understand it. Horizontal rows. What all horizontal rows are there? Tell me in the chat. What all horizontal positions are there? Please help me in the chat. मुझे chat में बताओ फटाफट. फटाफट से chat में बताओ what all horizontal rows are there. So it is basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1. Okay, ये एक हुआ. ऐसे और क्या क्या हुए? Okay, और 4 हुए ना? Right? So here it is going to be like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then it's going to be, okay, so then it's going to be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, then it is going to be okay, what is going to be 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, clear hai? Done. So these are all the horizontal rows that we have in our Candy Crush, right? So yes, are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Yes or no? Are you guys with me? So please tell me in the chat. You missed it. Okay, so yeah, now I have to just make one small so I'll convert this C1, C3, C2 also to horizontal combinations. Okay, what are that? C1, C2, C3. Okay, C1, C2, C3. ये तीनों आ गया. चलो. Then what else do we know? Okay, so now then we know one thing, that is for a valid maybe HR is basically horizontal row. In horizontal rows, okay, one more for HC, which is horizontal combination. In horizontal combination, okay, then I have to search for how to check if a list is part of another list in Python. Okay, check if a list all elements are part of some other list. So there is one simple so you have got list 1 and you have got list 2. If you want to check if list 2 is a subset of list 1, then what you need to do is basically you need to use this particular logic. All item in list 1 for item in list 2. That's it. So ये logic जो है मैं इसको copy paste कर रहा हूँ. For all item in for all item in what is list 1? List 1 is I have got list 1 is HR. Okay, list 2 is HC. शायद इसमें if condition आएगा. हाँ, if. Okay, then all you have to do is make one more empty list here. This empty list is like valid horizontal combinations, sorry, is equal to empty. Okay, थोड़ा bouncer जाएगा, but it's fine. You will not okay, you will not find it any problem. It is okay. If all item in HR is what? HR is a bigger list. For item in HC, okay, for item in HC, or else like you can simply switch these loops also. Okay, if you switch the loops, it will be better, because you will have a greater control, because HR is for each and every HC you need to because these are only 3 and these are 5. So instead of running the bigger loop for 5 times, you run it for 3 times and this one for 5 times. Okay, technically there is no big change, but yeah, still then all we have to do is we need to append C1. If all item in HR for item in HC, then C1. Okay, So then try printing h, so then printing valid horizontal combo. Khatam. Okay, so this is the code which checks for all valid combinations in horizontal. Okay, so instead of directly returning something, okay, maybe just we'll try calling for it. So see, it is saying in horizontally 3 4 5. Oh shit man, for 5. No, this is not right. Have I done something wrong? कुछ गलत किया क्या मैंने? C1 C3 C2 C3 HC in horizontal combo for HR in horizontal rows, item in HR for item in HC. सही बात है, right? HR and HC. Okay. Oh, instead of append C1 नहीं रे बाबा, छे append HC. It should be append HC. गलती था. Okay, so it will so 5 6 7 is the only valid output. Okay, valid horizontal row. Valid horizontal row is 5 6 7. Okay, is it clear? ये समझ में आया क्या हुआ? So I have written a small code to check. So what am I doing? Technically, what am I doing? I'm doing nothing. I have made a new list which is horizontal combination list. इस list के अंदर क्या हो रहा है कि इन rows के अंदर ही within these rows, if all the items like C1 it consists of like some items, right? C1 consists of some items. Okay, -2 -1 number, let's say. So C1 के जो items हैं, like all the items which are a part of C1 thing, yes or a no. If they are a part of like this boundary, then only they are valid. If they are not part of this boundary, then they are not valid. Are you guys with me? Yes or a no? My chat is stuck, I think, or else you guys are not at all talking something. So please talk. Okay. Do you get it? Yes or a no? So this is the boundary. So in these boundaries itself, if the items are there, if the combination items are there, then only it is valid. Clear hai? Sorted hai? Done? So that is one part. Okay. Now vertical wala we made it. Now only one check which we need to do. Okay, one check that we need to do. Okay, so only one check that we need to do is basically in horizontal also it is possible if you give, let's say, if you give 0 combination. So see, it is already saying that 0 1 2 is only the valid thing, no minus nothing it is giving. Okay, so nothing else is possible in horizontal combination. So if it is giving this technically nice thing, we only have to encounter these minus values which are provided by vertical thing. अपने को बस एक ही चीज कैप्चर करके खत्म करना, that is these minus values. So where these minus values are there, so I have already written a code for that also. Okay, so for item in list, okay, C4 C5 C6, J in item, okay, J should be less than or greater than, fine, ठीक, I'll make it up, fine. एक बार देखने दो मुझे. For item in list. Okay, so basically what I have done, I have made a new vertical comb. Okay, vertical combination C4 C5 C6. Okay, C4 C5 C6 मैंने vertical combination बनाया, and इस vertical combination के बाद what I am doing, are you guys with me here? यहाँ तक हो? Are you guys with me till vertical combination? Okay, so I got the answer there also. Let me just dismiss it, end this particular poll, and then start one more. So are you with me in vertical combination wala function. Ask community. Yes, I've asked you guys, so please tell me in the chat if you guys are with me, yes or no. Where is this? Okay. Now vertical combination के अंदर I just have to do one simple follow for VC, vertical combination in vertical combination. Okay, that combinations list. Okay, for a single item, like let's say position, a position in VC, if position is greater than 0 and position is less than 24 or less than 25. Okay, if position is greater than 0 and less than 25, then only say, okay, I'll make one flag function here. Flag is equal to 0. Flag equal to 1, let's say. Okay, and then what I'll do, if this is the condition, if flag is equal to if position is less than 0 and position is greater than 25, okay, then flag is equal to 1. If flag equal to 0, okay, if it still remains under 0, then what you have to do is you have to append valid vertical combinations. That's an empty list. That's an empty list. Valid VC dot append, valid VC dot append. मैं समझाऊंगा, don't worry about it. I will explain you guys. Don't worry about it at all. Okay, I'll explain you guys. Valid VC dot append. What is that? We need to just say VC, and then let's say print VC. So now you are printing a value. No, you don't have to print VC, you have to print valid VC. Printing में गलती कर रहे हैं भाई अपन लोग. Oh, this here is a problem. There is a problem. मैं last time अच्छा किया था यहाँ पे. If flag सही तो है ना? Position is less than 0 or position is greater than 24. Position is flag is equal to 1. Yep, that's the situation. Same here. चलो वो छोड़ो, मैंने क्या लिखा and all. I'll correct this code. For VC in vertical combination, for position in VC, okay, I have got this, all the positions. If the position is just give me 1 minute, 2 minutes of debugging time. I'm doing some mistake. I need to understand it. What's my mistake? Vertical combination में C4, C5, C6 गया. Valid vertical combination empty है. VC is a part of like vertical combination. Flag is equal to 0. Okay, good, set, sexy. I'll just remove this. Printing करके देखते हैं, रुको. Okay, flag is equal to 0 for position in VC. That is this only. Print ये आ ही नहीं रहा इधर. अरे यार, there has to be a or statement here. Nothing else is wrong. The only or is wrong. Yep, see now it is working. The only thing which we need to have was that's or statement, because either it has to be one. Okay, वो and नहीं आएगा. Either this will be this, or either this will be this. Okay, so either it will be position is less than 0 or position is greater than 0. Nothing, both can't happen at the same time, so I'm contradicting myself. So everything is working fine now. So instead of returning this, what we will do, we will so now if you let's say, I'll just do it, valid underscore vc dot extend, what's the other thing, वो combination क्या था, valid horizontal combination. So now if you give 0, it will, I need to disable one print. See, it's giving this only, but there is one problem. Why is it not returning us any value? Okay, I'm just making it like horizontal, valid horizontal combination. Okay, lst dot extend. In this, it's gonna be like so it's working now. So these are the only two combinations which are valid for 0. Okay, which are valid for 0. Clear है ना? चलो बन गया यार. Oh wow. So we are done with this also. Okay. So now taking this combinations, अभी get combinations काम कर रहा है. Okay. Combinations को लेके अभी करना क्या है? What we have to do using these combinations. So we have got a full code. Oh wow, we have written such a big code. Wow, इतना बड़ा कोड लिख दिया अपन ने कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए. अभी ओनली कॉम्बिनेशंस आने के बाद, now once you have combinations in your hand, let's say once you have combination in your hand, you need to check कि तुम्हारा current position है. So the next job which we have is, हाँ अपन ने अभी let's say rocket दिया, like leave rocket. Let's say this is the emoji, okay, this star. या फिर this fire. So once you pass this fire, you want to pass this fire to whichever position. Okay, let's say you said fire and I want to pass it to this position. अभी ये position में आने के बाद it has to check all the combinations. Is it getting squared off, yes or no? So for the squaring off wala purpose, you need to take this and you need to send it down, right? For squaring off wala purpose, you need to make a check combinations if there is a match. So the new function that we have to make a function to check if there is a match. Okay, clear? अब ये फंक्शन बनाना है. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Yes or no? Why I'm not getting any answers यार? वापस बंद हो गया chat. Are you guys with me? Yes or no? Okay, so please tell me in the chat, every one of you. Okay, are you with me? Yes or no? Okay, yep. So make a function to check if there is a match. So इसके लिए def check match. So what all things should we send? Get combination के अंदर अपन पहले तो अभी current position, future position, okay, and अपना proper board list. Okay, so these are the things that we want to send to our particular thing, okay, particular stuff. So now करंट पोजीशन से पता पड़ेगा कि भाई तुम किसको मूव करना चाहते हो. सो लेट अस जस्ट प्रिंट ना, प्रिंट बोर्ड. ओके, सो ये पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के अंदर current position I will give, the current position is of this is 23. I'll give 23. Where I want to move here. Okay, also I want to give this position. What is the position of this fire? It's I think 18. Okay, 18, 19, 20, 18. So 18 to if I move it to 23, okay, I want to move it to 23. बोर्ड लिस्ट तो मैं दे दूंगा, चलो ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट क्या है? ELE, ओके, ELE इज इक्वल टू बोर्ड लिस्ट के अंदर करंट पोजीशन में क्या है. वी नीड टू चेक दैट. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी नीड टू चेक गेट ऑल द फ्यूचर कॉम्बिनेशंस. वी नीड टू गेट combos is equal to get combination, okay, get combination and ये future वाला ये जो position है ये पास करो, ठीक है. you pass this position, then what do you pass? You pass basically कि then you have a nothing just but for loop for combo in, okay, combo in combos, ओके हर एक कॉम्बो के अंदर ये जाके चेक करेगा जितने भी कॉम्बिनेशंस अपने को रिट्राइव होंगे यहाँ पे इसके अंदर. आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी, देखो मैं कोड कर देता हूँ पहले, बाद में आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू गाइस. ओके, आई विल कोड फर्स्ट, सो कीप थोड़ा सम चैट एंगेजिंग फॉर अ वाइल. In the meantime I will write this code because ये checking वाला जो है ना लॉजिक, इसमें थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. So let me put that दिमाग right now. So I think the whole thought process here I have is I need to check, मतलब अगर ये यहाँ आ रहा है, ठीक है, मुझे ना इन तीनों को, इसको ना आजू बाजू के दो लोगों के साथ चेक करना होगा. I need to check it with this and I need to check it with this. If both the conditions are satisfying, okay, this मतलब इफ़ इट विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड हियर तो इन दोनों को चेक करूँगा और इन दोनों को चेक करूँगा. ओके, सो अगर ये होता है तो देन इट हैज़ टू बी ट्रू, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो देर विल बी टू कंडीशंस के बहुत सारे एंड चलेगा. ओके, सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द कंडीशन? सो बोर्ड लिस्ट, आई विल जस्ट जूम आउट एंड आई विल स्टार्ट कोडिंग इन बोर्ड लिस्ट. ओके, board list combo 0 is equal to ELE and board list combo 1 is equal to ELE. अभी इसके अंदर तो भाई देखो So it is going to be 0 1 1 2 0 2. So these are the three things which I need to do. और अगर ये समझ गया तुम लोग धन्य हो, अगर नहीं समझा तो कोई बात नहीं, आई विल एक्सप्लेन. सो 0 1 1 2, okay, 0 2. Okay. Okay, so here the emoji crush, not candy crush. Okay यार बॉस, फाइन, ठीक है, emoji crush बुलाओ जाओ. ठीक है. So board list is like this thing. If it is a match, it's a match. वाह, रोना है अपने को. ठीक है. So let's just see. Okay, if this thing works. Oh यार मुझे लाइन ब्रेक करना है यार. It's actually big. So see, I have got a big for loop or like while loop or something like that. Okay, so in this I'll just send now check match. What is the ये fire का क्या है position? ये fire का position है, current position is what? Current position is श्योर ना, मतलब एक काम करते हैं, ऐसा हो तो रेफरेंस बना लेते हैं ना बोर्ड का. ओके, सो समझा कि नहीं समझा यार? मैं पता नहीं तुम लोगों को समझा पा रहा हो कि नहीं, बट ओके, इट इज़ 18. सो 18 इज़ माई करंट पोजिशन. ओके, इफ दिस गिव्स इट्स अ मैच, ख़त्म हो गया भाई, कैंडी क्रश बन गया तुम्हारा, ख़त्म. ठीक है, 18. देन उसके बाद अपने को और क्या है, दूसरा पोजीशन देना, फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर इज़ व्हाट? फ्यूचर इज़ 23. ओके, आई वांट टू सेंड द बोर्ड लिस्ट, राइट? आई हैव टू सेंड द बोर्ड लिस्ट. बोर्ड LIST. ये दो बार इट्स अ मैच क्यों बोला? वाओ, इट इज़ वर्किंग. एक और को ट्राई करते रुको, कोई ऐसा चीज़ बताओ जहाँ मैच नहीं हो रहा. लेट्स से रॉकेट, आई वांट टू शिफ्ट टू दिस लव. आई वांट टू शिफ्ट दिस रॉकेट विथ लव सिंबल. सो काम कर रहा है भाइयों, काम कर रहा है. पता नहीं, आई मीन ऑल द कोडर्स आउट देयर, इफ़ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू, एंड मुझे तुम लोग अगर अच्छे इंटेंशन समझने का ट्राई कर रहे हो. सेक्सी, इट इज़ सेइंग देयर इज ओके. I'll replace this with flag. Flag is equal to 0. Flag is equal to 1. If flag is equal to 1, print. वाव, मैच हो गया भाइयों. else print नहीं हो रहा है. फिर से करो. ठीक है, सो समथिंग लाइक दिस. नहीं हो रहा है, फिर से करो. सेक्सी. आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट, बट ये थोड़ा समझ आ रहा है सर. ओह वाओ, नाइस नाइस यार. आई एम एक्चुअली हैप्पी ना, मतलब बन रहा है थोड़ा कुछ. आई एम एक्चुअली हैप्पी. अगर हमको इसका करना चाहिए तो कैसे करें? टच करके करना है तो यार इसके लिए फिर GUI बनाना होगा यार, ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस बनाना होगा. ओके, सो खुशी के आंसू कहाँ है? खुशी के आंसू नहीं, दुखी के आंसू है. खुशी के आंसू और दिस दुखी के आंसू है. ये नाइस, चलो हो गया भाई, हो गया अपना, बस अभी अभी बस लगाना है सबको साथ में, ख़त्म। वाह, मैच हो गया, चेक मैच। नहीं हो रहा है फिर से करो, गुड, इमोशंस आ रहे हैं ना थोड़े उसमें। अभी अपने को 2-3 चीज़ें प्रिंटिंग ना बंद करनी होगी, लाइक अपन ने लॉगिंग के लिए प्रिंट लगाया था यहाँ पे एक और यहाँ पे, राइट। सो डन, देख, अरे यार प्रिंटिंग बंद नहीं हुआ क्या अभी तक? Now let's make it like a proper shift. अब ये जो 3 चीज़ें गायब करनी है यार, इसके बाद तो यार फिर तो पूरा यही है यार कि लाइक इसके बाद ना फिर पूरा ब्यूटिफिकेशन है इसका, ठीक है। देन यू हैव गॉट ओनली इज ब्यूटिफिकेशन, राइट। सो शुड वी बिल्ड दैट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी इट्स काइंड ऑफ 1 घंटे के ऊपर। सो व्हाट आई विल डू, मैं आपको ये शेयर कर रहा हूँ इसका लिंक, मैं इसके अंदर ना बनाता हूँ, मैं पूरा ब्यूटिफिकेशन पूरा बनाता हूँ, ठीक है। सो आई विल मेक इट एक्सेसिबल टू यू ऑल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन इटसेल्फ। आई विल पुट दिस, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी इतने सारे कम लोग देख रहे हैं, इससे ज़्यादा कम करेंगे तो नोट्स, ओके। मैंने ये नोट्स में डाल दिया है सेक्शन में। सो यू कैन एक्चुअली गो देयर एंड check out. I'll just go and I'll make beautification, like if I have to say beautification, it's like कि मुझे ना इसके अंदर 3-4 चीज़ें करनी है। क्या क्या पता है? पहला ना मुझे इसको while loop में डालना है। So after this what all things are remaining? Assemble the whole code in one shot, okay. Ask the player if they want to play again, show points। एक और चीज़ करना है, generate random emojis when generate random emojis when you are done with the match, clear। so ये चीज़ अपने को करना है, sorted, done। so these are the 4 things that I need to do. I'll do it later on, so maybe you can just go refer to this, make until where I have made, and that's it guys. It's almost easy now. You guys can continue from here, okay। सर ये कोड पूरा GUI आई हैव शेयर्ड द कोड इज़ इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। आप देखो डिस्क्रिप्शन ओपन करके, लेट्स से इफ आई गो हियर एंड डेवलपर्स, ठीक है, एंड सी यहाँ पे नोट्स का जो लिंक है, इस लिंक पे क्लिक करोगे तो इट विल ओपन, okay। so that's it, just open and see this URL and you will find the whole code, okay, done। so that's it guys, thanks a lot, thank you for attending my session. I hope that you have learned something good from this. It's not so difficult to build games and all, it's easy, it's super easy। it's like you know what, एक बार बस लॉजिक समझना है, लॉजिक समझने में उसको बस लिखना, मैं पेपर पे लिखो, इफ़ यू राइट इट वंस ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर देन you can actually get it done, okay। that's what it is end to end। so just make sure that you go and try out this whatever I have shown। apart from this developer बनना है एकदम अच्छे से genuinely, just go to letsupgrade.in/programs। by the way I would like to show you one more thing। if you or your friends, आप या कोई आपके फ्रेंड्स, ओके, पहला तो letsupgrade.in जाओ, ओके। सो इफ़ यू और योर फ्रेंड्स किसी को भी अगर फुल स्टैक वेब डेवलपमेंट या फुल स्टैक डेटा साइंस करना है तो प्लीज़ रेफर देम दिस। yesterday we have started one batch cohort, and we have also launched one referral program. Okay, that is luc.to/refer20. So all the people, you can gift your friend 7,000 rupees discount. आप अपने दोस्त को 7,000 रुपये का डिस्काउंट दे सकते हो, और साथ ही आप यू कैन विन अप टू 80,000 रुपी वर्थ गुड्स. For 8 successful referrals, you will get a MacBook Air, 7 Apple Watch, 6 iPad, Lenovo Tab, OnePlus, soundbar, and TWS keyboard. Okay, if you don't want this, you can also get cash directly in your account for your efforts. If you just refer this thing, so just go copy your referral link, share it everywhere. If someone is taking admission through that, you will be getting. So like how if you see, we have shared so many people already coupon codes and all. That is one. So you can copy your program specific referral code also, and that's what you can do. Thanks a lot. So I just wanted to share this. If you want to, if you are interested in sharing the referral code, so this is the link. Okay, you can check out that point also. Now how to download your certificate? If you refresh, okay, if you refresh, automatically if your percentage is more than 50%, it will say generate certificate, give the marks. If you are interested in this particular 6 months full stack program, mark yes. And what can be improved? Nothing. Okay, just download certificate. Okay, so 50 LU coins already will be credited to your account, so just go say yes and it will be unlocking. Okay, so that's it. So see, your certificate is here, and that's it, guys. Thanks a lot for joining in, and bye bye, take care, have a nice day, and let's meet in the upcoming C++ wala bootcamp, which I'm taking on this Tuesday onwards it is starting. Okay, chalo, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.